everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be sharing with you my huge summer makeup haul. I know my husband's not going to be happy about this. Oh well. So let's jump straight into it. The first place that I went to was Nordstrom. I wanted to implement a little bit more luxury beauty items in my collection, so Nordstrom was the perfect place for that because they literally have every luxury brand, and the workers there are so helpful as well. If you can't find something, they'll find it for you. So the first thing I got was from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Life-Changing Lashes Curl and Lift Lash Curler. I've been in need of a new lash curler for the longest time, and this one was just so pretty. I could not pass it up. And a brand new one just feels so good, and this one's just so pretty. It's rose gold. It's everything. The next item is from Charlotte Tilbury as well, and I just love the aesthetic of Charlotte Tilbury, you guys. I don't know about you, like just the coloring of it. I've heard so many YouTubers rave about this powder for so long now that I just needed to get my hands on it to see if it's true or not. How pretty. Just the aesthetic of this, like, oh, I'm just touching up my powder. So this does have a mirror, a pretty good one at that. I do tend to crease under my eyes a lot in my under eye area. If this works, I'll definitely let you guys know. The next item, I am so excited. I finally found this, you guys. A long time ago when I first started my YouTube channel, I got sent this from Sephora, and it's the Vinyl Couture Mascara by YSL. As soon as I tried this little tiny sample, I fell in love. I immediately went on the website on Sephora.com and on YSLBeauty.com, and I couldn't find it anywhere. Fast forward to now, we finally found it at Nordstrom. So look how pretty that looks. That is gorgeous. So I obviously got it in the shade black, and they have all kinds of shades, but this mascara, when I first tried it, it made my lashes look so beautiful. I cannot wait to try this out again, but I'm kind of scared that it went missing for a while because they were reformulating, and if they did, this might not work out for me, which is gonna suck. But it's okay. I'm still excited to have it in my hands again, a full-size version of it, and I cannot wait to use it. So the next product is the Soleil Tan de Chanel by Chanel, and this is just a cream bronzer. Look how pretty and luxurious this looks. And when you open it up, it still has the little CC right there. And then that is what the cream looks like. I wanted to get this specifically for summer, and I've been waiting to use it, and I'm so excited. Obviously, like everything else in this haul, I'm very excited to put it on my face. Moving on to Sephora, which is where I spend most of my money, actually. So I have this humongous bag, and I have two other ones just like it, so just hold on tight, and I'm gonna try to go as fast as possible. So first up, for skincare, I got the Pep Start by Clinique. This is the 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser, and I got a sample on my Sephora Playbox. I don't remember which month it was, but I did fall in love with the sample, and it lasted me for so long, so I figured that I would just purchase this one. And actually for Clinique, this was only $19.90 something, $95. This is fairly cheap for skincare. I think this whole line is meant to target younger skin. So if you're on the market for a new exfoliator, and I think this might be it. I actually love it, and it has become a part of my ritual in when I'm washing my face in the shower. So yes, I do keep this in the shower. I don't use it every single day because exfoliating can cause damage to your skin as well. So you don't want to do it every day, but maybe twice, maybe if you're getting a little crazy. 3 times a week, but more than that I don't recommend it too much. Next, I got the Shiseido facial cotton. This is just an essential now for me. I got my first pack of this back in November of last year, and I just ran out, so I needed a brand new pack. Another thing that has to do with skincare is my Purity One-Step Facial Cleanser. I've been using this for like 3-4 years now. I almost hit myself in the face. I still love it, and my face is still loving it too. So I mean, if you guys want me to make a skincare video, I've never done a video like that. I can totally make that happen for you guys. I got these 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks, and yeah, I'm excited to try these. These were, I think, $15 each. I love a good mask, and Tatcha makes good skincare. I'm trying to go fast, but I'm trying to tell you why I got this stuff at the same time. But I'm not trying to, you know, sit here for much too longer because this is my 3rd video today. So I kind of need to go to sleep. Yes, I am filming at night. 2 more essentials. I just got 2 brand new beauty blenders. I love nude beauty blenders. That's just what I tend to go for. And then I got the Just Chill beauty blender as well. I just think this mint color is so pretty. And then another essential is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I just ran out of that today, and I knew I was gonna run out, so I just picked one up this last time I went to Sephora. This is something that I wanted to implement back into my makeup collection, is the Benefit Roller Lash. And if you're an OG subscriber of mine, you would know that I was obsessed with this mascara back in the day. I just moved on to other things, and I kind of forgot about this mascara. Sorry, it fell on the floor. And I walked past it when I was at Sephora, and I was like, hey, old friend. So I decided to pick a new one up. It gave me length, and it separates my lashes really, really well. And the Tarte Shape Tape is exclusively sold at Ulta. So yeah, I didn't just want to show you a whole Ulta bag with just one item in it. So I just dropped it in one of my Sephora bags so I could show you guys in this haul. But I did get a brand new Shape Tape concealer, and this is in the shade Tan Sand. I go back and forth between Tan Sand and medium, and I just ran out of the medium actually like today, so I need to go get one of those as well. Next, I got the Hourglass Arch. This is supposed to be a brow volumizing fiber gel. What intrigued me about this product, I got it in the shade Dark Brunette, was the shape of the bristles, the shape of the brush. It's rounded and normal on one side, but then if you flip it to this side, it has like an arch to it, and it has like little just spikes where you can get right in your brow and make hair-like strokes. Next, we have the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer with SPF 20. I tried it at the store, and I really like how it made my skin feel. It made my skin feel refreshed and hydrated. My face just absorbed it so beautifully, and it gave me a really nice canvas to work with. Something else that YouTubers made me buy is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and this is a primer. A very expensive primer, but I hear that is worth it, so I wanted to give it a go. That is what the packaging looks like, and it has the emblem right there. It actually smells like my Purity cleanser. It says that it's for all skin types. It feels rich, but it's never greasy. This unique moisturizer creates the perfect base for flawless makeup application. It says shea butter provides daily moisture and softens skin. Apply to clean skin morning and night. So this might be so expensive because it does have some form of skincare in it. It's claiming to make your skin look and feel its best with, you know, the more you use it. So we'll see. Oh my goodness, my voice is like going out. I have been talking non-stop all day, and then I sit myself down and make 3 videos. This is insane. But we're almost done, I promise. I saw this at the checkout line and I just thought it was the cutest thing. I am obsessed with my gloss bomb, so I just thought a cute travel size would be good. I thought it was just the perfect size for a highlight. And this is in the shade Hustler Baby. And that is what it looks like. So pretty. This looks like a cross between a Champagne Pop and Glow Getter by Nicole Guerrero. It looks so pretty. I wish I could try it on right now, but as you can see, I'm all highlighted out. Next, I have 3 things by Anastasia. The first two are, well, the first one is the Amrezy highlighter. Look at it. It's so pretty. And you just press there. And look how gorgeous. Yes, I did get the Soft Glam palette as well. I mean, this is just a good everyday palette. Like, how pretty is that? I do know that it has some repeat shades from the Modern Renaissance palette, which I don't mind because I do love that palette as well. I am so gun-hoed about my NARS Laguna bronzer, and I actually have it right here. I have gone through so many of these. It's like ridiculous at this point. But I said to myself, throw yourself out there and try a new bronzer. Try a new formula, try a new brand. So that's exactly what I did. I picked up the powder bronzer by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Saddle. You see that? Oh, that is so cool. That's what it looks like. It might be a little bit too light for me, but I still want to give it a go. It seems like it has like a little bit of iridescence to it. Another palette that I got was the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat. I am obsessed with my Naked Heat palette. So this is what it looks like. I feel like it's more of an extension of the Naked Heat palette because there is not one repeat shade on here. Not that I see. Next, I got some Becca stuff, and I love me some Becca, especially for a good highlight. And that is the reason I got the Be a Light face palette. It's supposed to have like a brightening powder, a blurring powder, a blush, and a contour. But let me tell you something. As you can see right here, I got the shade medium to deep. And I swatched this on my sister. My sister Eileen is much lighter than me, and this was not showing up on her at all. This is supposed to be the darker of the two, and it wasn't showing up on my sister, so I truly was concerned. I mean, nonetheless, it's beautiful. I got it for that reason as well, to make its own individual video so that I can tell you guys if it's worth buying or not, especially for summer. Like, you just want that glow from within. The next things that I got were from the Endless Summer Glow by Chrissy Teigen times Becca. The things that are in the collection is this body shimmer oil with this highlight, bronzer, blush type deal, and 3 glosses. I didn't get the body oil. I am not into body oils. I feel like my body sweats enough than to be putting oil on top of it. It sounds like a bad idea, so at least to me. So this is what it looks like. It's in a silver Becca packaging. I did swatch this at the store, and let me tell you, it swatched so pretty. And that's what it looks like. This reminds me of the La Mer bronzing powder. Obviously much cheaper than that, but look how pretty this looks. I did swatch it, like I said, at the store, and it looked promising. So I got the 3 lip glosses. The first one is in the shade Beach Bum. So pretty, with Chrissy's signature on there. And then this is in the shade Malibu Soleil. What is all this? This is more of a mauve. The other one was more of a nude shade. And then the last one was Beach Nectar. I think I see myself liking this so much. The next 3 items I got was from the Fenty Beauty Summer Collection. I only got one of the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter duos. I got the duo with the Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. If you've been wondering what's been all over my face this whole time, this is it. This video is going up before this video that I filmed with this. I give you my thoughts and how I use this, like a mini demo inside the video, and to tell you if it's worth buying or not. But as soon as I saw this duo, I was just floored. I was all over it. I needed it in my life. I needed it in my makeup collection, and that is just what I did. I got the Summer Days and Summer Nights lip trios. I made a whole swatch video on all 6. So if you're interested in any of these 2 videos, then I'll link those down below as soon as they go live, I promise. And the last thing that I see here is they gave me this for being a Sephora VIB Rouge member. All of this made me graduate and made me earn a whole nother year of VIB Rouge. And they gave me a little foundation brush. I think that's what it is right there. And I like it because it's like a collectible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this huge makeup haul. I gotta go clean all of this up now. And look at me, I look all kinds of cray-cray, but like a fun cray-cray, you know? Let me know what kind of videos you want to see me film with all of my new goodies. Let me know down in the comment section what videos you would like to see with everything that I got. If you have any special requests or what should go up first, then please let me know that as well. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and turn on my post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And other than that, I will catch you guys later. Bye.